Here's your 60-second script. Every physics equation, every engineering design, every economic model hides an integral somewhere underneath it. And manually solving them, that takes serious time. That's where the Indefinite Integral Interactive Calculator comes in. You simply type your function, select your variable of integration, and hit Calculate. The tool instantly returns the antiderivative, complete with the constant c. Here's a quick example. Enter the function 3x squared. The calculator immediately gives you x cubed plus c. Clean, accurate, no steps skipped. It handles polynomials, trigonometric functions, exponentials, logarithms, and more complex expressions that would otherwise require substitution or integration by parts. Whether you're a student checking your homework, an engineer verifying a formula, or just brushing up on calculus, this tool saves you time without sacrificing understanding. Try the free Indefinite Integral Interactive Calculator right now using the link below. Word count 143.